ഇത് ജൻവാണി 90.8 FM കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി റേഡിയോ പാനൂർ. അന്തർദേശീയ യോഗാ ദിനത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് കേന്ദ്ര ആയുഷ് മന്ത്രാലയത്തിന്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിലുള്ള പ്രത്യേക പരിപാടിയുടെ പ്രസക്ത ഭാഗങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പോൾ കേൾക്കാം.
Yoga is giving us not only the physical strength, but also mental balance and emotional stability to confidently negotiate the challenges before us.
Greetings to all yoga enthusiasts all over the world. Yoga is not just a set of exercises, it is a path of self-discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body.
Yoga is the perfect health and wellness module as it is comprehensive and holistic in its nature. Yogic principles of wellness help to strengthen and develop positive health, enabling the individuals to withstand stress and its consequences better.
Yoga has multiple solutions to prevent diseases, solutions to recover quickly, solutions to get over anxiety and stress related issues. Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline. It's an art and science of healthy living. Yoga brings harmony between mind and body, man and nature. The ultimate aim of yoga sadhana is to overcome all kinds of suffering, leading to a sense of freedom.
Namaskar. Hello and a warm welcome to our special series on yoga. In this series, leading up to the International Day of Yoga, we try and understand different aspects of yoga and its increasingly significant role in our lives. In the episode today, we focus on the concept of well-being. Well-being is an aspirational term relating to our state of health and happiness. It integrates physical and mental health, resulting in a more holistic approach to disease prevention and health promotion. Not just that, it lays an equal amount of emphasis on social well-being, wherein interconnectedness of individuals in relation to their communities and environment is of paramount importance. CYP, or the Common Yoga Protocol for Well-being, has been designed keeping in mind all these different aspects of well-being and promises to attain these goals by regular yoga practices. Let's find them out.
Pointing towards absence of disease and infirmities, health advocates well-being in the physical, mental, social and spiritual aspects of one's life. Well-being is a person's necessity in order to perform to the best of his ability. Today, however, we are compromising on our physical as well as mental health, which eventually diminishes our well-being. Yoga practices have proven to be instrumental in maintaining our well-being. It paves way for a healthy mind and body, leading to the maintaining of one's well-being to its optimum level. Yogasana, pranayama, relaxation techniques and meditation helps to manage one's movement and motivates, leading to manifestation of one's best capabilities. Thus, yoga helps in making one's efforts meaningful and life fruitful.
As all of you know, wellness is a state of health which is comprehensive at the mental, social, physical levels and also at the spiritual level. A wonderful way by which we can develop this wellness, and that is the integrated dimension that we have to bring. Working with the intellect, the willpower, emotional level and day-to-day level, how it has to be adopted. And that's what we want today, and we hope that all people in every nook and corner of our country will practice this yoga protocol to achieve the great health.
गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानताम् संवो मनांसि जानताम् देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते.
Sukshmayam, neck movements, forward and backward, neck bending. Stand with the feet 2 to 3 inches apart. Keep the hands straight beside the body. Now, place your palms on your waist. Exhale, move your head forward and try to touch the chin to the chest. Inhale, move the head backward as much as you can. This is one round. Repeat one more round. Exhale, move your head forward. Inhale, drop your head back. Now, with exhalation, come back to the center position. Neck rotation. Exhale, bend the head forward. Inhale, slowly rotate your head clockwise. Exhale while coming down. Now, rotate the head in an anti-clockwise direction. Inhale, go back. Exhale, come down. This is one round. Repeat one more time. Inhale, rotate your head clockwise. Exhale, move your head forward. Opposite side. Inhale, go back. Exhale, come down. Now with inhalation, come back to the center position. Exhale, bring your arms down and relax. Shoulder movements. Shoulder stretch. Keep the feet 2 to 3 inches apart and arms by the side. While inhaling, raise both the arms sideways above the head and keep them parallel. Exhale, bring them down. This is one round. Repeat one more time. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, bring them down and relax. Shoulder rotation. Now place your fingers on the respective shoulder. Rotate both elbows in a circular manner. Inhale, raise your elbows up and exhale, bring them down. We'll repeat one more time. Inhale, exhale, bring them down. Now we will do same in a reverse manner. Exhale, move your elbows down. Inhale, raise up. We'll repeat one more time. Exhale, inhale, and try to touch in front of your chest. Exhale, bring them down. Inhale, raise up, and keep in center. Stretch your elbows by the side. Open your arms by the side, completely palm facing upward. Turn your palms and then bring them down. Relax. Trunk twisting. Stand with the feet shoulder width apart. Inhale, raise your arms up to the shoulder level. Exhale, twist your body to the right. And keep your left hand come close to the right shoulder. Inhale, come back in the center position. Similarly, exhale, twist your body towards the left side. Inhale, come back. This is one round. Repeat one more time. Exhale, twist your body towards right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist your body towards the left side. Inhale, come back to the starting position. Exhale, bring your arms down. Bring your legs together. Relax. Tadasana. Stand with the feet 2 inches apart. Inhale, raise your arms up to the shoulder level. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, turn out your wrist. Now inhale, raise the arms above your head. Slowly raise your heels off the floor and balance on your toes. Maintain with the normal breathing. Slowly bring your heels down. Exhale, release the interlock. Bring your arms down sideways. Turn your palms down and relax. Urdhva Hastottanasana. Stand with the feet 2 inches apart. Interlock your fingers. Inhale and turn your palms outward and stretch your arms over your head. Stretch completely. Be there. Now exhale, turn your palms and rest over your head. Relax. Inhale. Again, stretch your arms up. While exhaling, bend your body towards the right side. Be there. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. Exhale, bend your body towards the left side. Be there. Inhale, slowly come back in the center. Now release the interlock of your fingers. Exhale, bring your arms down sideways. Turn and relax. Ushrasana. We will start with Vajrasana. Stand on your knees. Slightly make a gap between your knees and feet. Inhale, bend backward. Exhale, place your palms on their respective heels. Those who cannot perform Ushrasana, they can practice Ardha-Ushrasana. Place your palms on your buttocks. Keep your elbows parallel. Inhale, bend backward. Exhale, bend from trunk as much as possible. Be there. Inhale, slowly come back. Exhale, come in Vajrasana position. Relax. Shashakasana. From Vajrasana, slowly spread your both knees. Inhale, place your palms in between your knees. Exhale, bend forward and try to touch your chin to the ground. Keep your arms parallel to each other. Be there. Inhale, come up. Now bring your knees together. Sit in Vajrasana. Relax. Uttan Mandukasana. Spread your knees wide apart. Inhale, raise both your arms. Exhale, fold them from the elbows and place the palms on opposite shoulder blades. Stretch your spine up, elbows pointed upwards. Maintain the position with normal breathing. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, bring them down. Join your knees together and sit in Vajrasana. Bhujangasana. Gently open your eyes. From Makarasana, slowly join your feet together. Stretch your arms forward and place your chin on the ground. Now with exhalation, bend your elbows and place palms beside your chest. Keep your elbows parallel. Now inhale, raise your chin, shoulder, chest up to the navel region. Keep your elbows parallel to each other. Exhale, slowly come down, chin on the ground. Bend your elbows and place palm above the palm. Move your legs wide apart, toes pointed outwards. Turn your head and place your cheek on your hands. Close your eyes. Relax in Makarasana. Pavan Muktasana. Start from comfortably lie down on your back. Join your legs together. Bend your knees and bring both knees towards the chest. Inhale, interlock your fingers and clasp the shin. Exhale, raise the head and try to touch your nose or chin in between your knees. Be there. Now inhale, bring the head back to the ground. Exhale, bring your legs back to the floor and relax. Close your eyes. Kapalabhati. Sit comfortably. Keep your back neck straight. Place your both hands in a Jnana Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Now, after deep inhalation, expel the breath with forceful contraction of abdominal muscles. Let's start. First round. Take a deep inhale. Complete exhale and relax. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Keep your back neck straight. Keep your left hand in a Jnana Mudra. Adopt Pranayam Mudra of your right hand. Place this mudra close to the nostril. Close your right nostril. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left nostril. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale. Exhale through the left nostril. Now slowly bring your right arm back and place on your knee in a Jnana Mudra. Now we practice dhyana. Make yourself comfortable in a sitting posture. Keep the back and neck straight. Adopt dhyana mudra. Keep your shoulder and arms relaxed. Slightly upturn your face. Maintain the mild focus in between your eyebrow center. Be conscious of your breathing. Now we will end the session. Slowly bring your palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Take deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your arms back. Gently open your eyes.
An ancient Indian tradition, yoga is an invaluable gift that embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, and a holistic approach to health and well-being. The close-knit relationship of yoga with well-being is well documented. It is time we adopt this ancient wisdom into our modern day lives to take care of our holistic health and well-being and connect with the world around us, notice and identify difficult emotions, and be kind to ourselves. So, take care of yourself and the world around you. Stay safe and be kind. Namaskar.
അന്തർദേശീയ യോഗാ ദിനാചരണത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ചുള്ള കേന്ദ്ര ആയുഷ് മന്ത്രാലയത്തിന്റെ പ്രത്യേക പ്രക്ഷേപണമാണ് നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെ കേട്ടത്.